Present good day. So we're going to change the oil Toyota CHR 2017. Right, so the car jack up on jack stands, and we're taking off this panel here to get access to the drain plug as well as the oil filter. We're using AMSOIL 020 fully synthetic to replace it. Right. Right, so 410mm screws. Right. I'm gonna put on the light. Right, so drain plug, oil filter. Right, so good thing I making taking a recording of the filter so the customer could see the condition, so know that I didn't damage it. This is the condition I met it in. It has some bruises there, and you see it have a break on top there. Right. Right, so going on, see about changing the filter and stuff. We already slacking the drain plug, loosen the drain plug already loosened, 14mm. Right, 14mm socket. It's already loosened. Just need to loosen it a little more so it could come out with the hand. Whoever tighten this thing real tight apparently. Alright, so the oil now start to come out there. Right, so we missed the bucket initially. Right. We had to change the crush washer. Right, so there's the condition, right? So whoever, well, I don't know if it's the accident or if the person who changed the oil last time butcher it. Right, but all these chip and break up and thing there. Right? So that is inside it. Right, that is the filter. There's the new filter, so we get the new filter and O-ring. Right, so I go and change it out, put in the oil, change all the other filters, and you're good to go. Now the old filter there, new filter. Right. Right, so there's 1 gallon oil. Right. So train in there. Man kill man, but you up and down with the man, up and down with the man, trying to prove his innocence, but man kill man. Let's imagine that, up and down with the man, up and down. You know, it's up and down with the man, but everybody will kill the man, everybody will want to kill the man. Up and down, boy. I was stretching on the ship, my other land, nobody. Sometimes you don't pick up this kind of spirit and this kind of bitter spirit. But sometimes when you think about these people, they just get kind of weak, but you can think that these people are just people that's no good, but just no good. In fact, too much oppression, people are being taken advantage of. All kind of people look at them, right, so it's take about, I think, 1 gallon plus about 300 ml. So we had the extra quart. Right, so this one done. We go check the dipstick, and we will just let it go about 10 seconds and check. Alright, and then Kulupia man riddled with bullets on Tuesday night. Sorry, Kulupia home riddled with bullets. Also on this stage with the morning home invasion and Clark Sunday. Take up strike family terrorize the San Fernando invasion. 5 armed men after escape after robbery. Couple down, gone down in early morning attacking Pina. When will it stop? Large Park woman gone down. But she never really lived Large Park. She was more living on is Penco what? Penco Street. Making sure it has no leaks. And then we will organize. Alright, so oil change. Finally get all the hard filter. No leaks. Right. Alright. Alright, pleasant good night. So we go in and change the cabin air filter and the Toyota CHR. Alright, there's the brand and part number. Right. So to change the filter, we open the pocket. Right, so we press in this thing here. We just press in the pocket. Right, and then that side one hook. And then on this side, similar. Right, so we press both sides. With this side hook back, press it, the pocket will loose, come out the hinge, and there we could see the thing for the filter. Right, so the third this little thing here, so we can pop out this to get it to drop down some more. Right, well, a lot more. So we have more room to work with. Right, so that's the whole pocket out there. Right. Right, what I'm using the phone to navigate, right? So I can't really see what I'm doing. So I'm using the phone screen, so I kind of like feeling. Right, so once we reach the lock there, you just pull it forward, right, and it come out. And you just pull out the tray with the filter. Right, and we could see the condition of this filter. Alright, so that is the condition of the old filter. Alright, so you just hold it. Well, it has some locks here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I just squeeze it and it will bypass the locks and just raise it up. Alright, so take out the old one, part number. And we go in and put in the new one. Alright, so we open the box for the new one. Alright, there's the part number on the new one. And I'm gonna take it out of the pack first. Alright, so what's the difference in the new one? See how clean the new one is? Yeah, compared to the old one. Alright, there's the old one. Alright, side by side. Seeing the difference. Day and night. Alright, part number. You see if the part number is the same. OK0703004. Right. The sizes look the same. Right. So we're going and put in the new one. Alright. New one in. Right, so this side would be showing you up as the front. If we watch, we will see inside here is where we're going. So making sure we had the side that's saying up. Fit it in. Right, push it in. Right. So them two areas there, that is the lock-in mechanism. Right, so we put it in one side. Right. Right, and we inside. Right, and we just fold them back up the pocket. Right, we hooking back the lock there, push it on. Right, squeeze here, push it in. Right, both sides in. Right, and then just make sure that everything pack away and close back the pocket and we're good to go.